Friends, is this education? No! We have food! No! Uniforms! Then why should we remain silent? Kill them! I may be young, but my dreams are not small. I may be child, but my vision is not small. I may be learning, but my future is not small. I am the African child, and inside me lives a giant future. Do not measure me by my size. Measure me by my dreams, because I am growing, I am becoming, I am rising.
I say, I am not just a child. I am not just a child. Do not trust that sentence. Let it sink in. I am not just a child.
To you Africans, the wishes of a single mother who wipes the tears of a child at midnight when there is no one beside her, who answers a child's painful question, where is my father?
Do not underestimate a child. The doctor you need tomorrow is in a classroom today. The teacher you need tomorrow is in a classroom today. The leader you need tomorrow is in a classroom today. And perhaps the person who will change Africa forever is sitting in a classroom right now. I am a story still being written. I am a song still being composed. I am a future still unfolding.
We are not darkness, we are light. We are the light of Africa. Even when the road is long, we shine. Even when the night is deep, we shine. Even when challenges rise like mountains, we shine. I am the African child, and my voice carries the weight of my continent. I speak for the child who lands under a tree. I speak for the child who studies without light. I speak for the child who walks barefoot to school, yet still runs, yet still dreams, yet still believes. Do not ignore us. Do not overlook us. Do not silence us. I speak for the child who has dreams but has no pen to write those dreams. I speak for the child who studies under a dim light, hoping tomorrow will be brighter.
Who will speak for the child whose stomach has become a battlefield against hunger? Who will wipe the tears of the little girl abandoned by those who promised to protect her? Who will defend the little boy forced to exchange hard labor with books?
Every challenge I face is shaping my strength. Every lesson I learn is sharpening my mind. Every obstacle I overcome is building my destiny. I refuse to be defined by limits.
Do not measure me by what I have today. Measure me by what I can become tomorrow.
Africa is not small. Africa is becoming great. And together we rise.